going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the cameras of the new Motorola Edge 2024 and see exactly what they can do. This is front-facing camera recording at 4K 30 frames per second, and we're going to take some shots and some video and a little bit of nighttime stuff, but not much. But starting a new thing here today. We're going to be starting a new fun facts about technology section. So pretty much going to give fun facts about something in technology. So be sure you stick around to the end of the video. That way you don't miss out on that special little thing doing for you guys. So yeah, let's get started. Motorola Edge 2024 camera review. Let's go. Alright, so here we got the Motorola Edge 2024, and we are at Outdoor World at Katy Mills Mall, just outside of Houston. And we're gonna do a little bit of vlogging, I guess. I've never done really anything like this. We're gonna go in the mall, look at some places, take some pictures, and things like that. Alright, so we're going to do some recording in here, sort of vlog style, shooting some pictures and some video really quick, because, tall, creepy guy walking around taking pictures is not going to be that great, so I'm going to make this brief. So let's go ahead and go to the Motorola Edge 2024. Let's continue on, shall we? Alright, so getting some of the specs out of the way of the Motorola Edge, we get a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 13 megapixel ultra wide on the rear, and then we also get a 32 megapixel front facing camera. Now you can record up to 4K on the front and on the rear, which is actually pretty cool, but it's only up to 30 frames per second. So yeah, there are the specs for the Motorola Edge 2024. Let's continue on with the video, shall we? Continue looking creepy, videoing everybody. Alright, so here we got rear-facing camera, Motorola Edge 2024, 4K. And yeah, you know how it looks. I know how that stabilization works out. It's actually working pretty good. Motorola is not known for their stabilization, but this one's actually doing pretty good. So yeah, let's go and continue on, shall we? Motorola Edge 2024 camera test. So here we got 1080p recording on the rear, 60 frames per second. So the Motorola Edge can record 4K, but only at 30 frames per second. If you want a higher frame rate, you're gonna have to choose 1080p. And there we go for rear-facing camera, 1080p. Alright, so this is 4K 30 frames per second Motorola Edge 2024 at nighttime. Pretty dark out here. Alright, so here's the front-facing camera recording at nighttime on the Motorola Edge 2024. Just to let you guys know how this looks, and it's pretty dark out here other than the light over there. So let's go ahead and go into the light right here. And yeah, this is how the front-facing camera will look at night on the Motorola Edge 2024. Not going to do so much. Alright, so today's fun fact is the term bug, which describes a glitch in the system, came about a long time ago when somebody found a moth in a computer that caused it to malfunction. This was one of the early computers back in the day. So there you go for your fun fact of the day. Alright, so what do you guys think of the cameras of the new Motorola Edge 2024? Comment down below with your thoughts. I would love to hear about it, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time here on Sick Eric Tech. Peace.